If you guys want to wire your fan the way I wired it, you're going to have to delete your aux fan. I used the OEM connector, this one, which goes to the aux fan. It's going to have a ground, a high power, and a low power. Since the fan only has one speed, you're going to put both powers to one and ground to ground. There's a video down below that I'm going to link. I did the exact same thing, except I used a switch, so I can turn it on or turn it off whenever I please. I wired everything to the OEM connector. I just spliced it here and then soldered it, so ground to ground, and then the powers, both of the high and low, to the power here, and then the connector goes in and it works its way around. It's all tucked away. If I want to take it off, I can disconnect it here and it'll come out with the radiator. You guys can tell that little red and black cable is my power and ground to my switch, and I tucked everything away. It goes through here, it looks super OEM, and then it comes right down through here, goes through here, and straight to my connector. I spliced it in so that way I can turn it on whenever. Not sure if you guys ever noticed, but I did have a little switch for a small fan that I used to run as an aux fan. I did have a clutch fan and an aux fan, but now I'm only going to have one big E fan. And this is a wiring for that switch that goes to that rubber grommet, which you guys just saw. I hope this helps you guys out. Big shout out to Brandon for figuring it out so quickly and being able to do it so fast. So let's keep it moving. So this is my 391, and I'm swapping this one out for my LSD 315. Now, if you guys don't know how to make sure your diff ratios are correct, you're gonna line it up with the center here, like I did. I put a little Sharpie mark, and then you get one on here, and you're gonna spin it. So basically, the way it goes, don't mind my Crocs, but you're gonna spin it till it does a full cycle. So that's 1. That's 2, 3. And if you guys notice, that bolt lines up here when it almost hits 4, so it's a 391. And that's how you can make sure you guys don't get skimped out or someone gets the upper hand on you and you know you have the proper gear ratio. New gaskets on, tightened everything down, tightened the drain plug. The only thing I didn't tighten is the fill plug. That way I don't forget to put in the gear oil. I got 75W140. Says it takes about 24 hours to cure. I'm kind of impatient, so I'm gonna let it cure for a little bit and I'll probably throw in the fluid later tonight. 315 is filled. It took a little bit over 1.5, almost 2 quarts. It seems a little shinier because I cleaned it with the wire brush. I'm so excited to drive with the 315. I cannot express that. So let's throw it back in the car now. The rear end is back together once again. I think every time I do this, I get faster and faster. So I don't really dread doing this that much, but it's back together.
Sitting on these hooves right now.
It's just on your ass, isn't it?
I love the smell of it. Do you have a 391 in here still?
Nah, I got 315.
Nice.
Yeah, 315.
Just get the E36 brakes off.
What was that?
Moment of silence. Some rock dings.
This shit, I can barely hit 70. You gonna get one now?
I want one now.
They're fun.
I want one
They're
now.
fun.
I'm mobbing this jump back for him. Right, this thing. I'm about to get loose in this hoe.
Oh, because the 391, that's why. Smiley guy.
How you doing?
How you feeling, bro?
I'm feeling good, man.
That's good.
Great. Good morning.
Roger, alive,
good morning. Yo, no cabins.
What's bro?
Hello. Hi, vlog.
How you feeling, bro?
Oh, it's okay. I almost didn't wake up this morning.
Type shit.
What's up, bro?
All right, y'all, we made it to the little car meet, Cars and Coffee. All the boys are here, even Steven.
Man, let me tell y'all something, all right? They call this Cars and Coffee. I have yet to see a single ounce of coffee, all right?
It's just cars, no coffee.
I want some coffee. It's time for cinematics.
So we just left the meet. Now we're gonna go eat some food.
Loonies!
What's up, guys? It's your boy Brian here. About to go take some shots.
We're headed home. There's a storm coming. I'm trying to beat it before the storm hits. My GoPro just died, but I wanted to go over this 315. I truly, really enjoy it. All right, guys, so we made it home just in time. Storm hasn't hit yet. I just want to give a big shout out to Steven for the cinematics he took today, and a huge shout out to Jeff for making it out this weekend. Everything worked with the car properly as it should. No issue with the fan, no issue with the cooling system. It was a great time at Cars and Coffee. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more content, and until next time.
Some mean ass people.